Hey, JV here, excited with me on the channel today, and I got an unboxing, and this is unusual, and we'll get into it a little bit here. This is not our normal stuff. It's not tech-based. This is more of a spiritual side. And where is this coming from? Well, as you know, my YouTube channel is changing. We used to do a bunch of reviews. This is about things that I do, and if it interests you, great. Hit the like button, hit subscribe. If you are not into this, totally cool. I'm good. And if you just are finding me, awesome. I'm glad you're here. Excited. People tell me I'm kind of like Bob Odenkirk meets Wayne Dyer. Pretty crazy combination. But everybody says I sound like Bob Odenkirk. I guess I do. I guess what Better Call Saul, right, is what I do. Well, for years we've been doing devices. Like this is the Kindle Scribe and other devices. And I do so many other things. Like we're a coach. The book Get It Done Now is doing great. I've written books over the years. And one of my first books, this is the first book that I ever wrote. It's Get Out of Neutral. In fact, let's put this over here so you can see it, this unboxing we're going to get to do. This picture was taken by my wife's friend. This is actually in Argentina. It's a real photo. And on the back is actually a young JB, 35 years old, in an outfit. This is a crazy story that I spent $5,000 on. I didn't have it. I had to put it on a credit card when I first wanted to move away from corporate, and I was running an aerospace company doing really good, but I decided to leave it and go out and become this speaker and this coach. And so this is what they told me to look like. And literally this book I hated because what happened was we did 40,000 copies. If you've read my Get It Done Now story, it's all in here. But we got all these copies, 2,000 copies, spent $40,000 to get this out and sold nothing. Like it was so scary. And this book is about manifesting. So it's about manifesting the life experience you desire. And so a lot of things happened with this book. Like it didn't sell initially. My life had to change, but it led me to MorningCoach and led me to living really the life of my dreams. It's not about financial dreams. It's about peace, happiness, and joy. And I want to talk to you about that because this book, I'm actually finishing the rewrite. So it was cathartic to write it the first time. It was like 1995 to 2005, a part of my life that was big. In case you don't know, I'm just turning 57 now. I just qualified for the Boston Marathon. I feel amazing. Life is, again, it's not just a financial thing. This is what we do. It's about the quality of life, the spiritual side, the metaphysical side, the physical side. Really important how you get all that together. So this book was really interesting because it was a part of my life that I was changing into a new era. And I was really studying the metaphysical concepts. I had an MBA at this time. It was moving into more metaphysical concepts, and that's what the original book was. So this is really odd what I'm doing. I rewrote this book. So I went back and rewrote that book. I'm actually doing the final reading right here on my Kindle Scribe. You can see it here. I'm kind of just going through it right now, okay? And in doing that, one of the things that I found was that my spiritual connection was so much deeper. And again, this is not going to be a religious text. I don't want to make this a religious kind of video, but it's important that we talk about spirituality from a metaphysical perspective. And this is my personal journey. Okay, so I'm a productivity teacher and coach, and my roots are in metaphysics and manifestation. And like Wayne Dyer, who was a good friend of mine, I actually wrote the Sacred Six behind me for Hay House. I got to share the stage, which was just beautiful because of Reed Tracy at Hay House, and got to tell him how much he meant to me. And we've been able to reach so many people. This book has reached so many people. But the foundation of this book is a spiritual, metaphysical idea of why we're here in the depth of it. And Get It Done Now, the reason that I wrote that is because it's actually the guardrails, the productivity that allows you to do this, right? So here I am rewriting this book the last month or so, and I'm looking at my life and really going through, what a cathartic experience. And I'm looking at some of the recent studies that I've been doing. C.S. Lewis, really big into C.S. Lewis. For some of you that are into the esoteric stuff, Meister Eckhart, diving into Meister Eckhart's work, really heavy. And as I was doing this, I realized that there's one reoccurring theme. Now, I've studied Course in Miracles. I've studied the Bhagavad Gita. A lot of that work came into this, 21 years ago when I was doing it. Now, 21 years later, I'm talking about these concepts with so much knowledge and such a different viewpoint on life. And I'm getting ready to release this, and there'll be a link down below when it does come out. I'm so excited about it. Like, we're now going with a new new cover so you can kind of see the three of these books that come together. It's actually Get On Neutral is really the original book, and then Sacred Six is procedural, and then Get It Done Now. I've written 5, but these are my 3 primary books. So the new cover, new energy, it's going to really change so many people's lives. But let's go back to what happened. So as I'm rediscovering all these things of how I got here, how I found this peace, how I was able to qualify for the Boston Marathon, how I've been able to build structures. I'm up here in Chicago now, down in Colombia, learn Spanish, do so many wonderful things. It all comes back to the foundational pieces. But there was a spiritual component here. And one of the things that kept coming up was my connection to God and to Christ. Now, again, I was born Catholic, really, so you understand, had some charismatic Christian ideas. When I got into corporate, I studied the Gita, the Upanishads, the Vedas. I've studied Yogananda, I mean, the world's religions, all the way through the Kabbalah, the Quran, the Tibetan Book of the Dead. I've done tremendous esoteric studies, including Neville Goddard, who I love, and Wayne Dyer, and so many other wonderful teachers. And all that knowledge, there was one reoccurring theme, and it's this relationship that I have with Christ, with Jesus Christ. And so in looking at that, I said, it's time to start really studying the Bible. So every day I've been really getting into the Bible for the living word aspect of it, not just to, read it, to study it, but to actually embrace it and bring it into my life. And you even see in the preface how I talk about how this reoccurring theme of my relationship with Jesus Christ and the Trinity and understanding that has really transformed my life. Again, my personal journey. And so I started looking at that and I said, man, I really haven't really got into a personal Bible reading. So I went out and I went to the store and I went and ordered, let me come here and show you, the Schuyler Quentel, I believe I'm saying it right, NIV full-yap marbled crimson calfskin. And I want to talk about it. We're going to unbox it together. Okay, we're going to unbox this Bible. So if I look at my Bible collection, I just bought this one recently. I'll show you these. So this is a small King James carryable Bible. I really like it. I got it on Amazon for $50. Good Bible. Nice to carry with me when I'm doing some studying. Why did I do NIV? This is going to be the controversial part of it. This is an older NIV Bible. You can see all the markups from years ago. This is so old, but this is the one. Like, this is so old. This is my original Bible from Fellowship of Christian Athletes. I press on towards the goal to which God has called me. Have word in Christ Jesus is one of my favorite verses taught to us at the Fellowship of Christian Athletes. And you can see, gosh, even the way I wrote back then, this is just beat up, okay? So I went with the NIV, New International Version, because I've used it so much. Now, of course, I do have study Bibles, okay? So this is a study Bible which has massive amounts of translations. It's got King James, NASB, and AMP Bible in there. And then, of course, I have the original one that I studied with, which was the Full Life Study Bible. Many people used this years ago, NIV. And I think many of us are in that NIV world. Like, we come from that time frame if you're in my age group, right? So the best Bible you have is the Bible you read. And that's the most important thing. And that's why I went with NIV over ESV and some of the other translations. I decided to go with it. So I'm really excited about finally having a daily reader. And I want to open this up with you together because it just came in. And so I'm going to be careful with this blade and make sure I get into this. And I'm going to open this Bible and share with you the experience of getting a real Bible. Again, a daily reader, an investment Bible. This one was $255, and I ordered from evangelicalbible.com. So we're going to get into this and take a look at it. So let me get this thing open here, and we can take a look at the packaging and what they do as far as what they, how it comes. It came express UPS, so it's boxed up really good here. Okay, so here we go. Bubble wrap. Let me go ahead and switch views here so we have it. Not that one. Let's go over to this one. So let's go ahead and get in this and see what we got. Okay, so here we go. I've got my receipt, obviously, in there, and then we have this Schuyler Bible. Again, I've never had a Bible of this quality, and the idea is to have a daily reader that I'm doing my daily reading in, so I have a way that I can, something that I have that, I'm just excited about reading. Okay, so let's get into it. Okay, here we go. So we're going to go ahead and open it up. Okay, it already looks awesome. So they have this wax paper on it. Let's go ahead and get the box out of there. And let's take a look at this thing. Okay, I already like it already. I can tell you. I can feel it. It feels amazing. Let's go ahead and get this out. Okay. Ooh, this one's pretty tight on there. There it goes. That one came off. And this one. So this is considered what's called a full-yap Bible. So, I mean, if you're watching this and you understand Bibles, I'm not a big Bible reviewer, so I don't understand all that. But basically what that is you can see here, this is kind of small, where this has the full-yap around it, okay? So as we open it up here, you can see this is all calfskin leather, bonded here. Just a really good daily reader. It has the basic stuff in here. You know, the burrs, dash stuff that they typically put in the Bible. And then as we come into it, you can see it's got a really good font. As I get older, this is what I'm looking for, 11-point font. I always wonder, oh, it's got the red or the gold kind of print trim pages. So it looks pretty good. Let's come in here into the New Testament and see if, I don't know if this is a red letter version. Let me see. I don't think so. No, I'm not. Or wait, yeah, it does. It's red letter. I don't have my glasses on. The lighting's kind of weird in here. So yeah, it's red letter. So it actually feels great. The paper's awesome. Definitely, it's a little smaller. I guess they used to do 32, whatever that means, parts per million paper. This is 28. But definitely really, really like it. I guess there's some maps in the back here too, which is pretty cool. So the idea is to have a high quality Bible with me that I can take wherever I go, you know, and when I'm reading and doing my daily Bible readings. Man, that leather just feels so good. It smells good, feels good. And I'm not a red fan. Let me just tell you, I'm not a big color red fan. But the reason that I decided to go red is because of Christ and the blood of Christ. And I really think the traditional red, this is just a beautiful color. It actually reminds me of blood. It has that color of blood. So it reminds me of the blood of Christ and the relationship that I have, which is really awesome whenever I pick this up and go into deep studies about it. Again, NIV, I'm good with it. I grew up with it. I mean, you can see the difference, this old school Bible. So I'm really excited to mark this up and be the next 20-year Bible that I have for me to really work with. So excited about that and wanted to share that with you as I start delving into deeper studies and really connecting on the spiritual path with the way that I connect. And it's exciting. It's just exciting. So I'm excited to have this in my daily arsenal. One thing I'll show you guys, this is kind of cool. I actually do a lot of markup and a lot of journaling still. And if you want me to, I can do a little bit of a review on this. This is one of my holders for all my pens. I am not artistic at all. And this is called the Cedic by Paganal. And I just love it. Like, it keeps all my pens and everything organized. And one of the things that I'm working with is to get a little more creative, get a little bit more utilizing my journal. I actually journal outside of our planner. I know many of you use our planner, but I use these books. And this is kind of how I journal during the day. I do have the planner on the Remarkable and on the Kindle Scribe, but I typically journal in this, and I use this Peg and Owl, really cool book thing that I can carry with me when I'm doing my studies. So I can see me marking up this Bible tremendously. So gonna do some reading, getting back. I gotta go get my book out, as you can see here, ready to roll. This has gotta be redone. We're just finishing up the final so I can get it over to production so they can do the inners and then we can get the book out. So really special day, wanted to share with you. I'm very happy about the purchase. I absolutely love the color. Like, this color is everything I wanted. I love the protection of the full-yap, and it's really just a great Bible. So nothing I can't say about it. Just really cool to have a personal Bible. I've never invested in one. And so now we have. So awesome. So just a little bit different video. If you liked it, hit like, subscribe as always. And hey, we love to have you here at Morning Coach. It's about the energy. By the way, you want to support us, we have morningcoach.com. That's where my weekly coaching is for $10 a month. Weekly coaching is, daily coaching is $100. And we have a software program too you can check out over there. But those are the two main programs over at morningcoach.com. We have remarkable courses, so much stuff going on over there. Love to have you be a part of what we're doing at morningcoach.com. Really changing the world and living just a wonderful life. So appreciate you. And if you are a Morning Coach member, thank you so much. I love you bunches. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Go do it to it. Really cool. The new Schuyler Quentel NIV full-yap marble crimson calfskin Bible. Had to get all that out. Awesome stuff. All right. Go have a great day.